a breakthrough. I believe it's a medical breakthrough.
It absolutely wiped it out completely, and I was thrilled with it.
I felt much better about myself, and I felt cute.
You can be in and out in 5 minutes, and the result will be amazing.
I would usually Band-Aid myself up like I had been in a war. And that's the way I would go to bed, with these creams captured and sealed into my skin so that the next morning my skin would be at least soft enough to move my arms so my elbows wouldn't crack.
It's almost like when we were teenagers and you had acne. Psoriasis is very similar to that, in that it comes and it goes, and you're uncomfortable when you've got it, both emotionally and physically, and when it goes away, you just, your whole outlook on life is a little bit better because you feel like nobody's staring at you, so to speak.
So, I mean, it is very heartbreaking.
Good evening,
Living with psoriasis can be scarring, both physically and emotionally.
All right. Can we get another menu? We're waiting for somebody. Thanks.
The inflamed, itching redness and telltale silvery white scales can be embarrassing and difficult to conceal. For many, traditional treatments like topical lotions and creams are largely ineffective. But now, science and medicine have combined to bring laser therapy to psoriasis sufferers. The Photomedics Xtrac laser system is proven, safe, and both patients and doctors alike benefit from the time saved in treatment. It's relief at the speed of light.
Oh, I love it. That's good. That's really good. Relief at the speed of light. Mm-hmm.
To take a cream or something that, you gotta rub on every little teeny tiny piece, and you can't forget this and you can't forget that. Not only is it messy, and it's kind of just a hassle, and I'd rather just put a long sleeve shirt on.
I'm here in San Diego, so I end up exposing my skin a lot to the sun. The ultraviolet will get rid of it, of course, and I become concerned about some of the side effects of too much sun.
For years, doctors have known of the benefits of bathing psoriasis-damaged skin in ultraviolet light found in sunlight. In fact, some people are so severely affected by the disease that they have moved to bask in the natural sunlight. As you can imagine, this can have negative consequences, namely by putting healthy skin at risk of dangerous ultraviolet rays. Others have tried lightbox therapy, which, though safer, requires a significant time commitment. The Xtrac laser system avoids this unnecessary risk to healthy skin by precisely focusing artificial sunlight, UVB, on the affected skin alone, leaving healthy skin unharmed.
Well, it's a very fine, pointed laser, and therefore they can target it right on the areas that have the scaling and the redness, rather than exposing the whole body.
The treatments themselves were, 5 minutes and covered a whole bunch of areas, and it's like totally painless and convenient, and it worked out really well.
I showed people in my office. I had people in my office come in, I raised my knee and showed them what the result was. I want you to look at my leg.
Hello. Everyone's skin is different. What works well for one person may not be ideally suited for another. For that reason, anyone considering a treatment for psoriasis should first consult a qualified physician. Only after such factors as the type of psoriasis, the patient's medical history, the patient's age and overall health, and their sensitivity to ultraviolet light are considered, can the patient and the doctor agree on an appropriate treatment. For those of you with mild to moderate psoriasis, the Xtrac laser system brings fast, effective relief right here in the convenience of your doctor's office, with some treatments lasting as little as 5 minutes.
Once I started taking the laser treatments, it was fairly dramatic as to how quickly this was taking care of the problem.
By the third treatment, the scaling had gone, the redness had gone, and the skin itself was beginning to grow back in a normal way.
Oh, it's magic. You can't feel it, you can hear it, but that's all. There's no pain, there's no muss, no fuss, no nothing. It just zap and that's it. You're done.
With the Xtrac laser system, you have nothing to fear and everything to gain. Again, the procedure is simple. with a typical visit lasting a few short minutes, focusing light only where it is needed. A follow-up appointment will be scheduled for a few days later.
How are you?
At the follow-up, both you and your doctor will determine the degree to which the treatment is working and if additional treatments are required. From initial consultation to final visit, the typical program requires just 4 to 10 brief treatment sessions.
Okay, so you're happy with the treatment? I am. Good deal. If you suffer from painful or unsightly psoriasis, you owe it to yourself to talk to your doctor about this extraordinary laser treatment.
The results speak for themselves. On average, just a few supplemental treatment sessions per year will help lessen the serious physical and emotional manifestations of this terrible problem.
The treatment was wonderful. I recommend it wholeheartedly. I find that my life has changed in many ways because of it.
Do it right now. Don't wait 10 years to figure out, is this really going to work? Go try it.
I'd say go with the laser for sure.
For a guy that has had a knee like this for 15 of the last 20 years, to be able to see a normal knee and to be able to genuflect without pain, okay, is quite a thing. It's something to go after.
Do it. Don't wait. Go now. Don't hesitate.
Call 877-44-Xtrac today or visit www.photomedics.com to learn more or to locate a doctor nearest you.
It's an amazing difference. It's a feeling of freedom. It sets you free.